Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to display a percentage of a pie chart here in Tableau. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Tableau, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Displaying the percentage of a pie chart in Tableau is a common practice that enhances data interpretation and communication. Now I'm going to create a new sheet so that we can work on it because percentage make it easier for viewers to understand the relative size of each segment in the pie chart. This is especially important when comparing multiple segments within the pie. Now I'm going to change the font here maybe to around 20 and change around orange, bold, underline, and that's that. So the first thing is I'm going to add some sales here. Type in sales, and of course you can drag it to the rows. After that, go to region, drag and drop it to the columns. Now on this one, you might want to click on the upper right corner where you can see the show, and obviously we need to choose the pie chart. All right, after that, now you can simply click on this. It's really relatively small, right? So we wanted to make it a little bit bigger by clicking on the standard to make it like entire view. And of course you can also go to the section here. There's the size. You can drag it to make it a little bit bigger, but that's too much. Maybe just around here, obviously. All right, we can choose the color if we wanted. All right, for example, this one, to make it this. All right, and after that, now I'm going to remove this one. Instead, I'm going to add a region. Okay, and then I'm gonna redo everything here. All right, so I'm going to put in the sum sales to the labels so we can get more data. And of course, you can drag as much as details as you can. The idea is that showing percentage here in pie chart allows viewers to quickly grasp how much each segment controls to the total. All right, providing immediate insights without needing to interpret raw numbers. Because as you can see, it provides a clear and concise representation of each segment's contribution, right? Reducing the cognitive load of the viewer when they look on the pie chart itself. Now you can see there's a lot of information that you can work with here. There's a drop-down menu. You can add quick table calculations, maybe show the percent of total, you see? Or on this side, you can go to quick table calculation and show the percent difference. So there's a lot that you can do, but if you don't want it, just go that way, because when working with the pie chart, especially in terms of the displaying percentage, it makes it easier to compare performance or contributions against benchmarks, goals, or previous periods. I believe that a pie chart like this one with percentages can be more engaging and visually appealing, helping to maintain the audience interest and focus. All right, and I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember that displaying percentages in pie chart and Tableau transforms it from a basic visualization into a powerful tool for communication. See you in the next guide.